Welcome back to our next episode of SP&T at 25. This week, Mike Jagger is joining us. Mike, thank you so much for joining me this week.
Thanks for having me.
You know, Mike, I understand that it's not just SP&T who is celebrating 25 years this year. I understand that Provident is also celebrating 25 years. How does that milestone make you feel?
Old, but it's been a quick long ride, I guess. 25 years. I remember long ago meeting Paul for the first time. I guess we were both getting started in the industry, it's been 25 good years.
And so looking back on these 25 years, or I guess reflecting is the better term to use, what would you say has really been some of your greatest accomplishments since the inception of Provident?
I think that one of the biggest things for Provident was, when I started the business, I was 20, so I had no experience. I also had no money. I had effectively no credit, so couldn't get a line of credit or anything. So it forced a lot of discipline at the beginning because there weren't many other options other than just continuing to push through. So we've had slow, gradual, incremental growth that has just slowly built upon itself. And over the years, I think one of the biggest things that we've done that I'm quite proud of is being able to build a business that does some quite unique and special things while remaining completely independent. We're not associated with any other company. We don't contract out any parts of our service, and we're able to deliver some a unique offering all on our own.
And I think it's remarkable that you really did build something from the ground up, and it's only going to keep getting better from here.
That's the plan. But yeah, for 25 years, in some ways, it's gone very, very quickly. But definitely, the slow, gradual build has been good.
Slow and steady wins the race, as they say.
Yeah.
And Mike, I'm going to get you to take a look into your crystal ball for a second. When you think about the next 25 years for both Provident as a company and its role in the security industry, what ambitions do you have, or what kind of role do you see it playing in that time?
Well, we're just going to continue on the same path, to be honest. One of the most unique things that we do as a company from a service standpoint is we offer a guaranteed 5-minute response to clients' alarms. And so that focus on that service has forced a geographic focus. And so what we've been doing is just slowly expanding our offering within sort of those narrow geographic areas. So, we're operating 3 brands now. We have Night Owl for construction, and we have Provident, and then we also have Orca automation for the smart home and automation space. And so we're really looking at being able to provide increased value and service to the clients that we have that are relying on us for our 5-minute response service. And there's still tremendous room to grow right there.
Mike, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. I really enjoy getting to know you, and congratulations on your own 25-year celebration. It's definitely worth celebrating and acknowledging.
Thank you. Congratulations to you guys as well.